In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create presentations with Gamma Eye. Gamma is a smart presentation maker and website builder that helps you turn ideas into polished slides in minutes. We'll go from sign in to export, keeping everything clear and efficient. First, head to the Gamma website. On the homepage, click sign up or log in, and once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Click create new to start a fresh project and open the creation options. Now choose how you want to begin. You can generate with AI, start from a blank canvas, or pick a template. For the fastest results, choose Generate with AI. This option drafts the structure and starter content for you, which you can then tailor to your needs. Next, enter your topic. Type a clear prompt like marketing strategy for small business or social media tips for beginners, then click Generate. The more specific your prompt, the better the output, so consider including the audience or goal if it helps. Gamma will automatically create a set of slides with headings and suggested talking points based on your topic. With your deck ready, review and edit the slides. Click any slide to edit the text directly. Add or remove sections to match your story, and drag slides to reorder them into a logical flow. Keep titles concise and make sure each slide focuses on a single idea so your message stays clear and engaging. Next, customize the design to make the presentation yours. Change the theme or overall style, adjust colors and fonts to align with your brand, and add images, icons, or videos to support your points. Gamma keeps layouts clean and modern so small design tweaks can make a big difference without extra effort. If you need more material, click the Add Card button to insert new content. You can add text, images, videos, charts for data, or embeds like links and websites. Use charts to visualize numbers and embeds to showcase resources without leaving the deck. To refine your writing, use the built-in AI. Highlight any text and open the AI options to rewrite, expand, or simplify. This is great for tightening long paragraphs, fleshing out brief points, or making complex ideas more accessible for your audience. When you're ready to share, click Present to enter slideshow mode for meetings or webinars, or click Share to send a link and collaborate with others. Finally, export your presentation if you need a file. Download a PDF or a PowerPoint version, or simply share via link for easy access and updates. That's it. Your Gamma presentation is ready to go.